Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with permissions and a quick scan. Open an elevated command prompt. This ensures system-level access. Once ready, run sfc/scano. It checks integrity of protected Windows files and attempts automatic repairs. While it runs, note that this can take 10-30 minutes depending on disk speed. When it finishes, make sure to export or inspect the CBS log if errors persist. If SFC reports it repaired files, reboot now. If not, proceed to deeper repair steps. Once SFC cannot fully fix issues, use DISM to restore the component store. Run DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. It can use Windows Update or a known good source to replace corrupted components. After DISM completes, rerun sfc/scano so it can now repair files with healthy sources. If you suspect disk-level corruption, boot into safe mode and run chkdsk/f/r. That locates bad sectors and attempts recovery. Make sure to reboot between major steps to commit changes. If repairs still fail, restore from a recent system restore point. This reverts system files without affecting most personal data. If no restore exists, perform an in-place upgrade or repair install using installation media. This refreshes Windows while preserving apps and files. Once complete, update drivers and run SFC again to confirm success. Troubleshooting tip. If repairs fail repeatedly, back up your data immediately. Then test hardware such as RAM and SSD/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.